Hey everyone! You know that moment when you're writing and you just get stuck on a word? Well, today we're going to learn a super simple trick to get it right every time. It's all about checking the spelling in context. Let's jump right in. All right, get ready for your brand new spelling superpower. It's this awesome three-step routine. Super easy. First, you're going to find the base word. Then, you'll add the ending the right way. And finally, you just reread the whole sentence. That's really it.
Okay, let's get this little phrase stuck in your head. Say it with me. Base word, ending, reread. Got it? Awesome. Now, let's actually put this thing to work.
All right, first up, watch me try it. So for this one, just sit back and watch how I use our new routine. I'll walk you through every single step. Okay, so here's our first sentence. The workers blank the tools across the field after the test. We need to figure out what word goes in that blank.
And here are our spelling choices. They all look kind of similar, right? That's where they try to trick you. But don't worry, we've got our routine. Let's start with step 1. What's the base word?
The word we're starting with, the base word, is carry. Easy peasy, right?
Now for step 2, adding that ending. Okay, so here's where a little spelling rule comes in handy. For words that end with a consonant and then a Y, like carry does, you have to change that Y to an I before you add ED. So carry turns into carried.
And for the grand finale, step 3, we just reread the whole thing. The workers carried the tools across the field after the test. Yep, that looks right. It sounds right. It is right. That's our answer.
All right, now it's time for us to team up. Let's try it together. Okay, check out this next sentence. The new surface was strong enough to be used blank. And here are our choices. Okay, you know the drill. What's our very first step? That's right. We need to find the base word. Take a look at those options. What do you think the base word is?
Did you guess safe? If you did, you are absolutely right. Now we need to describe how the surface was used. So we just tack on that lie ending, and what do we get? Safely.
Okay, let's do our final check, step 3. Read it with me. The new surface was strong enough to be used safely. Sounds great. We did it! See, you're already getting the hang of this. Okay, I think you're ready. Now it's your turn. All right, here's your challenge. The sentence is, the plan was blank after the first round of testing. Here are your choices. Go ahead and pause right here, use our 3-step routine all by yourself, and pick the right answer. Ready? Go for it.
Okay, did you get your answer? Let's see how you did. Time to check our work.
All right, let's use the routine. Step 1, what's the base word? It's revise. And for step 2, we need to add the ending. The sentence is in the past, so we add ED. That gives us revised. And for our last step, let's reread it all together. The plan was revised after the first round of testing. If that's the one you picked, you absolutely nailed it. Awesome job. Okay, so as we wrap this up, the big takeaway here, the most important thing, is to just remember the routine. So let's say it one more time. What's our super routine? 1, find the base word. 2, add the ending the right way. And 3, reread the sentence. The key is to not just guess what sounds right, but to use this routine to prove what is right. And there you have it. This little phrase is your key to becoming a spelling champion. Base word, ending, reread. Use it every single time you get stuck. You did some really great work today.